Watching the YouTube family, it's your boy, Keep It Real with Andrae, and yes, bad mind never want me wake up this morning. But guess what, people, we wake up and them salted and a peanut. Watch me. Today is the big day. Yes, guys, today, Vybz Kartel performing live over there in Paris at 8 p.m. But guess what, me there in New York, so that's at 2 o'clock my time. Which other live you want to lock in and tune into? No must keep it real, Andrae. So me I telling you from now, make sure to listen out, subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell. So you see when we go live, people, it I go nice 2 p.m. my time, 2 p.m. 8 p.m. over there in Paris. Me don't know where you live, which part of the world you're there, but make sure you're lock in. People, me almost choke. Keep it real with Andrae, people. May I tell you, I yes so nice. I yes I bring the vibes. I yes I bring the laughter. I yes I bring the excitement. People, what do you want to do? You don't want to go up on some other live where them a run up and down and try find a link, or you want to go up on the real live where everything nice and dandy. People, you know you ever go up on some people live, and when you go up on them live, when you're up on the field 2 minutes, you're up on it and do this. No, people, over here, sir, can keep it real, Andrae. May I tell you, you're going to be up, be alert. Man, tell me, just me, you're going to be like you just overdosed on caffeine. So make sure people only tune in to Keep It Real with Andrae. I'm out. Big up, Worl Boss. Psh.